Hi, I'm Rose Davis, and I'm a member of the core development team for Compass.
And I'll be leading you through this introductory video to CourseSites, which is an interactive, free learning platform that we'll be using throughout the program. So, to get you started, you'll be receiving an email invitation that looks very similar to this, except that it won't say introductory oceanography. It'll say something like VRS II Compass Program. You'll see the link to click to confirm and register, which is definitely where you want to start. Now there'll be two options. If you've already used CourseSites in the past, you can actually use the same username and password that you've had in the past. However, if you've never used CourseSites before, you're going to go ahead and click I need a CourseSites account to register. So if you haven't registered, you can register with your credentials from either a social media account like Facebook or Twitter, or from an email account from Microsoft Live, Yahoo, or Gmail. And this is where you're going to enter in your information. After registering, you're going to receive an email confirmation stating that you've registered your account with CourseSites, which will include your username, but it won't have your password for security reasons.